Say you're the CEO of a business and you're expecting a shipment of your signature product. You've been tracking your shipment since the day you got the confirmation email. The tracker says that the product has been delivered, but it is nowhere to be found. You panic. How will you ever find your product in your multi-story warehouse? Let's take a couple steps back. Now this time you have the Watchman IPS. You tell your employees to attach this device to your shipment as soon as it arrives. The device will automatically connect to your location's Wi-Fi signal. Using this app on your phone, you can determine the location of your shipment based on the Wi-Fi proximity reported by the IPS. Now, if you have multiple routers, you can simply name each one on your app. Router 1 can become Floor 1, or how we have it, First Floor. Router 2 can become Floor 2, or how we have it, Workshop. Now that you know which floor it's on, you can approximate its location by looking at the reported signal strength. This product's abilities extend far beyond just a warehouse, in a hospital setting when wheelchairs need to be located, in a caretaker's home when a senior citizen needs to be reached, in a home setting when mom or dad wants to know exactly when their child comes home or leaves,